Hello! Alright, in this video, the second of our series, it's a super quick one. We're going to learn to drop columns. It's necessary. All the time you need to get rid of data that you don't need. In this particular case, I'm getting rid of two fields for the example dataset that I'm sharing with you guys. One is the developer address and the other one is the developer email address, because I'm pretty sure if I release a database with all that information on it, that the GDPR police will come and arrest me. As usual, we've got to import pandas. So import pandas as PD. Then we're going to load our data frame. So we're going to create an object with a JSON file. So the file that we're going to be using is a JSON file. And the reason it's a JSON file is because it contains text, and within some of that text has commas. That's quotes. It has commas, which means if you save it as a CSV, it breaks. So I learned the hard way to create this as a JSON. So it will take a couple of seconds to load. I'm gonna have a little swig of tea while I'm at this. Still taking time. Come on. Load! Load! This is how big a file is. It is massive. And you guys get the opportunity to use it. Alright, that's it, run. As usual, we're going to inspect the data. Just going to look at it, see what kind of content is in there. So here's all the columns, how much data we have, the non-nulls, is it an integer, an object, or a float, the date time, there's a date time in there too. And we can see the memory usage it uses as well. Another reason to drop columns is because we don't want to use memory where we don't need to use it. So what I'm looking for is developer address and developer email. And if I want, I said this in the last video, but you can, if you want to get a list of the column names, you can put list bracket play data, then close bracket, and then I'm just going to grab these two. But as you've seen below, I've already did this, so I copy and pasted this, and here's our function of the day: play underscore dot drop. Simple as that. Put it in a bracket, give it a list. See, a little list here. These are the two it's going to look for and then kill. It's an axis 1. Axis 1 is a column. Axis 0 is a row. And in place, because we want to overwrite the object. That's cool. Looks like it's worked. Now we check it for sure. There we go. Gone. Developer name still there because we're going to use that later on. And finally, I want to save this file so I can give it to you guys. To save files in pandas is so easy. So it's play, so get the object you want to save, and then 2 underscore JSON. What do you think it does? It saves it to a JSON file. I run that, and that's basically it. That's how you drop columns in pandas. It's super easy. Play around with it. Honestly, you could spend 30 minutes playing with it and breaking it. So like, pull in some data of your own if you want, get rid of it, or use this data set that I'm creating just now. Still waiting for it to save. Oh, just saved. And just drop things, and then if you need to, if you've dropped them and you want to still use it, you need to reload the data, and then it will all appear again. That's that's today's video. If you want to support the project, comment, like, subscribe. If you really want to support it, sharing it, telling your friends. But I will see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Ciao!